Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I just asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a haul or a hair tutorial, and the majority of you said a haul. So I have purchased some things online from Walmart, Sephora, and Amazon, and I wanted to share those things with you guys. Everything I mentioned in this video, I will try to list it down below, so make sure to check the description box if you're interested in any of these items. So this video is probably going to be long, so that's it for my intro. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video before you leave as well. Thank you. Let's jump right into the haul. Okay, so I'm just gonna first start off with Walmart. So from Walmart, I picked up the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Dewy. I've never tried this one before. I've just tried the original, and I got the shade Golden Beige. And this is what I have on my face today. I actually really like it. However, I feel like I like the original one better. I like the way this one smells though. It smells way better than the other one. The other one smells like paint, but I don't know. I feel like the other one just looks better. But I wanted to try it out because so many people are raving about it, saying how amazing it is. And I don't know. I mean, I like it. I don't hate it, but I don't know. I like the original one better. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried this, and did you feel like you liked the original better? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but would I repurchase it again? I don't know, probably not. But like I said, I only tried it today, so who knows? I need to keep trying it, and we'll see if I repurchase it again or not. Another thing I picked up is this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. So this little guy has become one of my favorites. It's like a staple now in my makeup collection, just because I find that it's very hydrating, and I have a lot of fine lines under here. I need a concealer that's going to hydrate my under eyes and not dry me out, because I have tried concealers where they're too dry and I feel like it emphasizes the lines even more. So for me, this one has been working really well, so I decided to get another one just because I was out of my other one. Another thing I got from e.l.f. are these bite-sized quads, and I picked up two. I did a tutorial using this one. So this one is in truffles, and if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll have it linked up above, but that's what truffles looks like. And then this is what cream and sugar looks like. I haven't done a tutorial on this, and I really am impressed with these little eyeshadows. The shadows are very pigmented. There's barely any fallout, and the shimmers are beautiful. I love these palettes, and I want to get some more because they're so good, and they're only $4. So, and another thing that I got from e.l.f., I didn't realize I got so many things from e.l.f., is this Matte Magic Mist and Setting Spray. I really like this. I did notice though that they raised the price. This used to be like $4, probably just because it's actually really good. I'm not a fan of the sprayer. Oh, it sprayed nicely there. Sometimes it's just like, it's too much. And so I usually just switch out the cap just because I'm not a fan of the, and it just leaves your makeup looking nice and matte all day. So really enjoy that setting spray. Okay, so moving on. Whew, I'm like out of breath. Okay, so moving on to Sephora now. I picked up a couple of things, not too much. I did get a gift card for my birthday. My birthday was back in August, so I decided to pick up a couple of things. I did purchase two of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. These are one of my favorite formulas to use, and I just love these two shades. So I got Pure Hollywood and Stripped. I've already swatched them because I wanted them to dry so you guys could really see the shades. So this one is Stripped, and that one is Pure Hollywood. Oh, they almost kind of look the same, but they're not. They're different. And they were having a sale. You could just buy one and then get the second one for free. So, oh, there's a fluff. So I was like, oh yeah, I need to pick up a second one. I was super happy about that. So I'm wearing Strips right now on my lips, in case you're wondering, and the lip liner I'm using is Cork, which is also one of my favorite lip liners ever. I also picked up a hair mask. This is from the brand Amika, and it's a Soulfood Nourishing mask for your hair. This smells so delicious. Let me just open it up and smell it. I've used it about 2 times. Yes, 2 times. I really like it, and the scent really lasts a long time in your hair. I've been trying to take care of my hair better just because I noticed that it was getting pretty dry, just because I do use a lot of heat on my hair, and I just noticed that it was kind of looking like meh, and I just decided to get a hair mask just to add some shine and bring it, you know, back to life. And so I have been enjoying this, even though I've only used it twice. I feel like this is gonna last me a really long time because you just need like the tiniest bit, and you just leave it in your hair for 5 to 7 minutes after you shampoo, and then you just rinse it out, and yeah, you're ready to go. Speaking of yummy scents, I picked up the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now I did get the small version just because this is actually pretty expensive. Like, look how tiny this is, and it's $27. I am in love with the scent. It smells delicious. It's just so yummy. I want to eat this, and I only apply this on my arms and on my chest just because it's so expensive and I want it to last as long as possible. I really do love the body spray, and I know they came out with a perfume. I haven't tried that, but from what I've seen, like with the reviews, the perfume doesn't have, I don't think it has that many positive reviews. But the cream and the body spray, 5 stars. And if you haven't tried this, you should, because you will smell like a yummy dessert. And I promise you, wherever you go, people will stop you and ask you what you're wearing. And the last thing I picked up from Sephora is the Too Faced Translucent Peach Perfect Mattifying Setting Powder. If you watch my videos, you guys know that I am in love with this powder. It just works so nicely on my skin, and it keeps my makeup looking beautifully throughout the day. I've tried many powders, and this one is just hands down the best one. This is all you pretty much see me using in my videos just because it works and it's good. I just feel like it keeps your makeup looking really nice for 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. And well, maybe not that long. Well, maybe, no. Yeah, about 8 hours before you need to kind of like powder a little. Okay, so for the next item, you guys might laugh, and I don't care because I'm getting old, you guys, and I am feeling like aches and pains that I've never felt before, and I prefer to have something that's comfortable now than something that looks good but isn't doing anything for me. So I have recently been having a lot of pain in my foot. I feel like I messed it up when I worked at my last job because I would just walk around so much, and I had Nikes on, and I just thought, you know, Nikes are good, they're stylish, and they're expensive, so they must be good, right? Wrong. One of my coworkers there, hi Tammy if you're watching, she told me to get Skechers, and she was like, get these ones, they're so comfortable, they're so cushiony, they have memory foam, and I promise you'll notice the difference. So I decided to go ahead and purchase some Skechers, and Mike makes fun of me because he's like, why would you buy those? But I don't care, like they're so comfortable and they're so squishy. I'm in love with them. So I ended up getting these Skechers right here. I know they look very, they're very thick down here. And I know when you're young, you don't even think about this kind of stuff because you know you don't have pain. But once you start to get older, you will have pains and aches, and you'll want them to go away. And the only way to make them go away is to wear geeky kind of shoes. Yeah, so I am loving these, and I definitely recommend these if you walk around a lot and you have a job where you're on your feet all day long. 8 hours on your feet, walking, like it takes a toll on your feet. That's a lot of pressure on your feet. I wish I would have gotten them sooner. I feel like they would have saved me from so much pain. All right, so onto my Amazon order now. I purchased some coconut oil and I decided to get this brand. It's called Nutiva Nature Vitality and it's organic. It says it's ideal for cooking. It's virgin coconut oil. I use this for my hair and I also use it as moisturizer. I use it on my hands and I just feel like it leaves my skin nice and soft. So I also put this on my feet and then I put some socks on, and then the next day my feet are just so soft. Coconut oil is amazing for moisturizing and just leaving your skin nice and hydrated, especially when the colder months start rolling around. My skin starts to get dry, so I find that this just really hydrates my skin and gets it looking nice. Smells really good. I know like some coconut oil can kind of smell weird, but this one does not. It smells like pure coconut oil and I'm really liking this brand. I also picked up one of my favorite tanners. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Flawless Natural Looking Color Instantly. Oh, that's not the name. Sorry. Okay, so this is the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Sunless Tanning Mousse. So it just looks like this. This just gives you a nice glow. It doesn't make you like super dark, but it just gives you that sun-kissed kind of look without having to actually be in the sun. And I always go for the one that says deep bronze. I'm always repurchasing this because I just want a nice glow. I don't necessarily want to look super duper tan, but I just want to have that nice healthy glow. And then I also purchased a tanning mitt, and it also comes with like a little baby one. So I use this one for my face and it's perfect because it's really small. And then I use this one for my body. And this one actually comes with a thumb, which is very convenient. I usually would use, you know, the one that everyone usually gets when they first start self-tanning. And I would find that that one would only last me like a couple months before it would start ripping and just falling apart on me. So I have been loving this one. I feel like it's made way nicer. I feel like it's gonna last me longer than the other one that I used to use. And I just love that it has a thumb on it. It really just distributes the mousse very nicely all over my skin. So if you are looking for a better tanning glove, check this one out. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in it. Okay, and another thing that's from Amazon is this JBL speaker. Even though it's small, like it has a lot of like bass, and I just put it here on my desk and I use it to listen to music, podcasts, YouTube videos, and I've just been really loving this little speaker. And like I said, even though it's small, the sound quality is really good. If you're looking for a nice little speaker to kind of have on your desk, definitely recommend this one. I'm in love with it and I'm so glad that I have him now because yeah, when I'm doing my makeup or getting ready, I just like blasting this instead of just listening to music just straight out of my phone because the speaker, you know, it sucks. Okay, and then another thing that I purchased is a ring light. I talked about this in my last video. I am so in love with this ring light. I got the 18-inch neewer ring light and it's an LED ring light. This one, it stays cool. Like you can touch it and it's not gonna burn you. And I really like it and I feel like it gives me such nice lighting. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but if you guys are looking for a ring light, I definitely recommend this one. Again, I'll have it linked down below. The only thing I don't really like about it is the stand. I find that the stand is a little bit flimsy. It's not as secure as other stands that I have. And I kind of feel like it kind of moves a little bit. So yeah, not a fan of the stand. And last but not least is this bed head waver. Mike got this for me last month for my birthday and I am so in love with this little guy. And let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial using this. Even if you don't, I'm probably gonna do it anyways. I just love the way it creates those nice like mermaid beachy kind of waves. I remember when I went to Miami, I don't even remember when I went, but I went many years ago and I remember my hair just looked so beautiful after I would get out of, you know, the ocean, and I just had that nice like beachy kind of wave. It's so pretty. I wouldn't have to do anything to my hair and I just had the nicest hair after swimming in the ocean. And now that I have this, I feel like that's what it reminds me of. So in love with this. So stay tuned for a tutorial because I really want to do one because I want you guys to see how nice this thing works. All right, you guys, so this concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.